On March 8th, International Women's Day, we celebrate all women in all their diversities. We celebrate those who came before us, those who stand beside us now, and those who will come after. Let's now hear from the women of engineering in Cloudera.
I'm thrilled to be working in this space, in this team, at this time, where generative AI is revolutionizing the whole world.
The CML team and I are passionate about enabling each and every stage of building a Gen AI solution.
In fact, AI has become even more accessible now. With the advent of open source models and tools, building such solutions is accessible to even more developers. Developers like you.
And me.
And me.
Hi there, I'm Sangeeta, based in Santa Clara, VP of Engineering for Data Warehouse. For AI, we are adding a SQL AI assistant to translate natural language queries to SQL and AI function support to Impala. To me, inspiring inclusion means affording everyone the opportunity to contribute at all levels and to foster learning and growth paths for all without gender bias.
Hi, my name is Wendy Turner, and I am the VP of Operations for R&D here at Cloudera. This gives me the opportunity to see the impact that diverse ideas have on our organization. I firmly believe that different perspectives lead to better results.
As part of open source community leadership team at Cloudera, I have seen the impact of open source firsthand. Join us as we harness the power of open source to change the world, one line of code at a time. Inspiring inclusion means to me making sure every woman should feel respected, welcome, and valued.
We are standing at the brink of yet another transformative era, and my team is at the forefront of innovation. A secret sauce has been inclusion. To me, it is about including everyone's perspective to create our collective success. I'm so proud to be part of Cloudera that promotes inclusion.
On this International Women's Day, I'm reflecting on our duty to inspire inclusion in the tech world, particularly in the area of artificial intelligence. On behalf of the 7 women on my team and on behalf of the hundreds more on our teams around the globe, happy International Women's Day.
To me, in celebrating International Women's Day, inclusion means putting all people, regardless of gender, on the same platform, the same team, and be given the same opportunities to express their talents to solve industry challenges. When we truly value difference, inclusion comes from the heart.